brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. It's smoked turkey wings at the pit. And I think they're real easy to do. All right, fresh from one of our chapters. And we've got about 15,000 worldwide. Looks like we're doing up some turkey wings. All right, he's got cumin, fennel seed for this recipe, sugar, salt, some black pepper. He's got a tablespoon cayenne. Whoa, this is going to be hot. Cayenne pepper, coriander, paprika, chili powder. This is going to be real hot, I'll tell you what, with a tablespoon of cayenne in there. Got some bold and spicy Pit Boys sauce, SPG, and looks like olive oil. All right. Now he's looks like he's combining all the ingredients. That's easy. Then he's hitting these turkey wings with some olive oil. Yeah, this is going to be good. Turkey wings are excellent on the grill. You probably know that. And here he's cutting off the tips of the tips. Make them look real pretty. Maybe for some soup stock or something, right? All right, now he's putting the dry rub ingredients all over these wings. Whoa. This is going to be good. It's going to be easy. Something you can do real quick if you're a pit. No doubt about it. Now he's placing them on a kettle grill here opposite the hot coals. This is indirect, of course, if you've been watching us over the years. This allows you to maintain the perfect temperature while cooking without burning, right? All right. All right. Some time has gone by. He's going to go flip them. He's probably cooking them at about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and here he's adding some smoke wood. That's why he's calling it smoked. Add some smoky flavor to these turkey wings. Oh man, now some bold and spicy, some hot sauce there. I guess use your favorite hot sauce. And then he's brushing it on. Simple enough. And you can get these turkey wings real cheap too, right? And they got a lot of meat on them, so you definitely check them out. They're great for the barbecue. Here he's flipping them. Now, these are cooked when they reach a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal, all right? Throw on some more sauce. Now, if you've never tried turkey wings on the grill before, you definitely got to check it out. This is some good eating. Puts the cover on to finish them off. Whoa. And in the miracle of time, these wings are done. And there ain't these puny little chicken wings either. Look at the size of these. Oh. Are you kidding me? So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.